Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. What do you have in your diaper caddy? Well, I have diapers, baby wipes, sanitizing spray, sanitizer, poo bags, and gloves. And there's still room for more. I love this diaper caddy by Putska. I wish that I had one of these for when my kids were little. As a daycare provider, I have to keep all cleaning chemicals locked away. I like that I can have everything I need in this diaper caddy. I can grab it out of the closet and get down to business. I remember how inconvenient it was to have to bring baby upstairs every time you needed to change a diaper. I was just too tired. So I love that now I can have this diaper caddy and I have the ability to change baby anywhere because I have everything I need all in one place. This can easily go with you from room to room. I like that there are Velcroed separators within it so you can customize this diaper caddy to fit what you need to fit in it. And it also makes a great gift for new moms. It comes with these organizing tips and ideas of what you can hold in it, which makes a really great checklist for things to add to cart. This Putska diaper caddy holds everything that you need and really makes your life easier. And that's my point of view.